Welcome, chemistry students. We are about to begin video 7-4B in our look at the double roadmap mole conversions. So our goal here is to figure out the number of particles, and this could be molecules, atoms, formula units, or even ions in a given molar amount of a chemical compound. And also to use the molar mass that we talked about in the last video to look at conversions between mass in grams to amount in moles of a compound. So that's basically a refresher here on GMA. Let's dive right in. A lot to get here, a lot of information. This is the double roadmap. This should look somewhat familiar to you as we kind of take some time here to analyze what we really see in this example. If we look here, this is the mass in grams. So this is our G for mole conversions. Here is our mole in the middle, which is M for our mole. And then down here is the number of molecules, formula units, etc. in a compound. That's basically replacing our A. So if you remember our GMA, to help you remember the order that the mole conversions go in, this is representative of those. In order to get from grams to moles, I have to divide by the molar mass of the compound. In order to get from moles to atoms or molecules or formula units, I'm going to multiply by Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So this is specifically for a compound on the top here. And this is exactly the same as our single roadmap or GMA mole conversions. Down on the bottom, now we're dealing with just a single element. That's what you are most familiar in doing, is going from grams to moles to atoms here. And there's our number of atoms of a single element, and this is all dealing with a single element. I do the exact same conversion though. I'm going to set it up as I have 1 mole over the molar mass of the element to get to moles, or multiply by 6.02, and vice versa. They're all double arrows. What is new is this right here, this mole ratio. So this is a mole ratio. This is new. Now all of a sudden there's a bridge to go from compound down to element or back up. So in order to get from a compound to an element, you are going to use what is called a mole ratio. And that's basically the subscript of the element in the compound over 1 mole of that compound. If you are moving from an element to a compound, you will use the conversion factor 1 mole of the compound and the subscript of that element on the bottom. And we are going to look at some examples.